everyone, into this video I'm gonna show to you how to record WhatsApp calls. So basically what you'll have to do is simply install this app, which is free, which is called the Call Recorder iCall. And basically after you install this app, as you can see, you're gonna have the option to record your calls, and you can record your WhatsApp calls, you can record your normal calls, and as you can see, you'll be able to record and see all the recording. So just install this app here, and after that you'll have to simply go on and start a conversation, so you can call somebody and then you'll be able to record that call. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.